winding journey, but I'm finally here tonight. I'm picking up the pieces and walking back into the light, into the sunset of your glory. When my heart and future lies, there's nothing like that feeling when I look into your eyes. My dreams came true when I found you. I found you, my miracle. If you could see what I see, that you're the answer to my prayer. If you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know it would be clear that angels brought me here. Standing here before you feels like I've been born again. Every breath is your love, every heartbeat speaks your name. My dreams came true right here in front of you, my miracle. If you could see what I see, you're the answer to my prayers. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know it would be clear that angels brought me here. Brought me here to be with you. I'll be forever grateful. Oh, forever faithful. My dreams came true when I found you. My miracle. if I can't tell you? I can't tell you. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Run away. Do you still need me? Do tears cloud my mind? Sometimes I wonder just where we're heading. I can remember all we had were the best of times. I'm a fool for those things, like you still need me. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do if I can't tell you? I can't tell you. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Run away. No, I'm never gonna till I hear you say, hey, do you still need me? Like you did the first time. You wouldn't leave me, not for a moment. Where are your kisses that keep me awake all night? I'm a fool for those things, like you still need me. Do you still love me? Is it love anyway? You live in your world, and I can't follow. If you still need me, then I wish I could hear you say, I'm a fool for those things, like you still love me.
Fatana futa wapya ngane mtautu pale alili. Tatu mafuta futa ndo tatu pale tatu tafama. It's a final wall and Angelea. Les Kings, Brother J. Brother Love of the Fifth Thing, Brother Charles Papa. But Vivianga na fa ili bili o ua. Sa ito mo ino cha fama de ni chika ko. Changwa oi ilang ko ila mo metro tsi.
I found love from thee, darling, to die praying and follow my lead. Well, I found a boy, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I wanna give you up this time, darling. Just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, you're whole mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, you heard it, darling. You look perfect tonight. Well, I found a man stronger than anyone I know. He shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share his home. I found a lover to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still care for each other in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be your girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You look perfect tonight.
Isso foi na boca do chat, falei. Você não ia me chamar como eu fiz com a minha pô. Mas ele é. Isso eu não ia falar o chat, uma foto de pô. Mano, eu te digo, ah, lá, pipi. Eu falo, lá, pipi.
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I am an angel in person, and he looks perfect. I don't deserve it. You look perfect tonight.
Mano, ele ai, no fogo. Isso eu não ia falar o chat, fala o chat, uma foto. Mas ele é. Fuwa ele é kuava. Aí a madribe fuwa coco.
Talapalava, ladies and gentlemen. I can officially say that the bar is now open. All right, so how it's going to work? We don't have any servers. We don't have any servers today, so if you want a drink, we go to the bar. And for you to refill or get another drink, you have to take that glass or that bottle to the bar, and then you get another one. All right? We're going to have a nice formal kind of, we're not going to have a lot of drinks on the table, like you know how the other Samoan stuff where you got like 10 beers, 10 drinks. But this one here, you serve yourself. Go up, take that bottle, give it to the bartender, and the bartender gives you your drink. All right? Le paia man malo re tātou fia, le ua makala ka kopa. O le whainga lara ka kopa le whiawhi nei, le ina tātou au serve. E le inga kai servinga, e serve lava, oi. Ai vai ki lalo vai ingo, o mga wha mai lo vai ingo. O lau ipu lava le nai tui whafoi o le pā. Iana mai da ia o le si o vai ingo. Ai manguia re vai vanga, tatara noa, whatatali le tātou a inga fōu. Ia, ke ropo le pu e lako waka i wani kongi. Ko iki o mai, ia, manuia.
Silo uloto a popo le pei amole mana tua mai ita la upele fa amole mole hawe au mai ai saupu se me alelei pe fa asele mutu.
On your table, you have this piece of paper here, the orange one, and that is the menu for the drinks. So if you go through the menu, whatever you feel like drinking, just walk up to the bar, and help yourself, whaftai. I lunga na whaspepa le lango moli, olo I lunga lo lau lau. Ia o le kako menu ngā ro kako vaingo le whiawhire nei. Ia a whape, wai langona le vai o e fia inu ai. Ia, sui po le pā, ia e fia lau pā mengi. Oke pole, o le lunga le tap, ke wai whape ko kongi lau vaingo. Everything is free. Ia, whaftai.
Punile mala ualia imai ua goto le fetua walele mama motu si alo upale ua mota yao tautua ia oe isi o nu a ole manu lelea se ia fe mai se I pupuni le mala uali ia I mai ua goto le fetua walele mama motu si alo upale ua mota eao cry that her love for me has died, but she found somebody else, I suppose. Baby blue, baby blue, do you know that I'm still in love with you? Now I know that you won't be here no more. How I need you, how I want you, baby blue. I know I must forget all the good times we had, but I know that I can't forget you. You're still on my mind, and I know I can't find such a girl as sweet. Baby blue, baby blue, baby blue. Do you know that I'm still in love with you? Now I know that you won't be here no more. How I need you, how I want you, baby blue. How I need you, how I want you, baby blue. How I need you, how I want you, baby blue. Send me the pillow that you dream on. Don't you know that I still care for you? Send me the pillow that you dream on. So darling, I can dream on it too. Each night while I'm sleeping all so lonely, I'll share your loving dreams that once were true. Send me the pillow that you dream on. So darling, I can dream on it too. Send me the pillow that you dream on. Maybe time will let our dreams come true. Send me the pillow that you dream on. So darling, I can dream on it too. I waited so long for you to write me, but there's a memory song that's left of you. Send me the pillow that you dream on. So darling, I can dream on it too. She wrote me today that she won't come back to stay, that she only comes to pack up her clothes. She wrote I must not cry, that her love for me has died, but she found somebody else, I suppose. Baby blue, baby blue, do you know that I'm still in love with you? Now I know that you won't be here no more. How I need you, how I want you, baby blue. I know I must forget all the good times we had, but I know that I can't forget you. You're still on my mind, and I know I can't find such a girl as sweet. can feel free all over when you held me tight. Now I feel pain taking over since you said goodbye. Oh, that sweet sensation. Oh, such strange emotion. I need your love and devotion, and I can't forget your charm. Now I know I was wrong to be untrue, girl, so wrong. Now I know if you really love me, please come home, girl. Come home. I love you so. Oh, that sweet sensation. Oh, such strange emotion. I need your love and devotion, and I can't forget your charm. Oh, that sweet sensation. Oh, such strange emotion. I need your love and devotion, and I can't forget your charm. Oh, that sweet.
Ia e toi whamanatu atu le tātou awhia o le kako pā, o le open le pā, wanga i le whao mai. Ia e self-serve le kako pā. O le ipu po le whangu le ke wako mai le pā. O le kamangai koe replace mai le sio waingua e ne o kākai se fulu kako mai la ia kunga kako laulau. Self-serve drinks, but you take your bottle or your glass and then you refill. Ia e wewa lewa kaungu o mai le bridal party. E se uma koe karangoa ia mawai malako ia paa malako vai yang kako aku la ia se vai pola se fufuanga le kako pokalame ia whaftai.
Lonely girl, would you like someone new to talk to? Oh yeah, alright. I'm feeling kinda lonely too, if you don't mind. Can I sit down here beside you? Oh yeah, alright. If I seem to come on too strong, I hope that you will understand. I say these things cause I like to know if you're as lonely as I am, and if you'd mind sharing the night together. Whoa, yeah, sharing the night together. Whoa, yeah, sharing the night. We can bring in the morning, girl, if you wanna go that far. And if tomorrow finds us together right here, sharing the night together. Whoa, yeah, sharing the night together. Whoa, yeah, sharing the night. Would you like to dance with me and hold me? You know I wanna be holding you. Oh yeah, alright. 'Cause I like feeling like I do, and I see in your eyes that you like it, and I'm liking it too. Oh yeah, alright. I like to get to know you better. Is there a place where we can go, where we can be alone together and turn the lights down low and start sharing the night together? Whoa, yeah, sharing the night together. Whoa, yeah, sharing the night together. Oh, all right, together. Oh, all right, ooh, baby, yeah, 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 yeah. Na 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 na. Nice to know ya. Let's do it again. How we did it on a one night stand. Girl, I wanna be more than a friend to ya. Nice to know ya. Let's do it again. How we did it on a one night stand. Girl, I wanna be more than a friend to ya. It was like food for all of my senses. Our time priceless, no expenses. Like water to all them dry trenches. She had a theme song for her every entrance. We had a dinner and a movie. Fire up the doobie. Great vibe. This girl scoot closer to me. I call her babe. She call me Boogie. Her beauty intelligence really moves me. Nice to know ya. Let's do it again. How we did it on a one night stand. Girl, I wanna be more than a friend to ya. Nice to know ya. Let's do it again. How we did it on a one night stand. Girl, I wanna be more than a friend to ya. This isn't my first rendezvous in a relationship. Well rounded, graduated with love certificates. Hey, she want a lover I'll be. Stimulate the body and mentally. Hey, don't fuss me straight up in a liar. Use up me shoulder if you want cry. My love is real, not like the other guys. Feel sorry for who sign up, 'cause me I win first prize. Nice to know ya. Let's do it again. How we did it on a one night stand. Girl, I wanna be more than a friend to ya. Nice to know ya. Let's do it again. How we did it on a one night stand. Girl, I wanna be more than a friend to ya. She looking pretty real nice. Lightly room up, she have the perfect body type. Being with you is like being in paradise. Never seen a girl that can live up to the hype. Ay. She is a white, I'm more pretty, more little, easy, more longer. Big up to the Caribbean girl, I keep it proper. All of me Latinos and all of me sexy mamas. Broken Corleone, giving you a holler. Nice to know ya. Let's do it again. How we did it on a one night stand. Girl, I wanna be more than a friend to ya. Nice to know ya. Let's do it again. How we did it on a one night stand. Girl, I wanna be more than a friend to ya. Nice to know ya. Let's do it again. How we did it on a one night stand. Girl, I wanna be more than a friend to ya. Nice to know ya. Let's do it again. How we did it on a one night stand. Girl, I wanna be more than a friend. Yeah, man, reggae Listen to this. Jam it. Reggae night. We come together when we're feeling right. Reggae night. And we'll be jamming till the morning light. Oh, any real just call. Got to get my things. Got to catch this ride. Gotta look my best, 'cause I know they'll be mashing it up tonight. Oh, reggae night. We come together when the feeling right. Reggae night. And we'll be jamming till the morning light. Oh, you will find it happens only once a year. So don't miss out on this section here. Oh. There'll be people coming from the north and south and east and west. So you better live the best, man. Now lightning strikes at 8, so you better not be late for this rubber dubbing, rockin', jamming, fun, loving day. Reggae night. We come together when the feeling right. Oh, reggae night. And we'll be jamming till the morning light. You will find it happens only once a year. So take advantage of this festive cheer. Make we bring with family and let's tell some friends. And everyone will have a jam session. Woo, yeah, coming out. Yeah, I seen. Good night, star. Good night. Ram it. Oh, reggae night. Oh, reggae night. Oh, reggae night. Oh, reggae night. Oh, reggae night.
Yeah, yeah. Watch it. Can't ever break it down. So glad that you, yeah, yeah.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the bridal party is here. And we're gonna let them have a little conversation outside for 5 minutes. And then we'll start our formalities. Lewa taunu mai le nga li fou. Ia lewa tu ai singa 5 minggu. Ia se fai sila ko karkar ngai fa. Ia nga matalia ia tato pokalame. Ia ai vai so ko fa kumulo vai ingu. Vai tato le ingu le ava. Ia mana tua uma ole fali. Vai kakai avea ka vale be safe. Vai o ngai be responsible. We're here to celebrate and we're here to go home. And okay, all the sapati le tu e tau na tato wo tato te lot. Amen. Ia ai tato e veva la kiki rela ko kiki a matar tato pokalame faftai.
I'm so proud to call you my mom. Don't see me passing all the times I've been looking for. Baby, I ain't looking for the perfect bride, just all the small things like you do love love. Things you do love love. That's how I feel about it all. Girl, like this, you put me mind. It's so bad, but you be put me. Girl, like this.
Hey, yo, big wave. Tell them I come. Small time alongside JW.
My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ne. Start my truck, let's all jump in. Here we go together. Nice cool breeze and big palm trees. I tell you, life don't get no better. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ne.
Okay, your mama gwele. Step on the dancing floor. Hips be winding, detail rewinding. Take it to the island way. Okay, your baby mama. Put on your dancing shoes. One drop it, pop it low now. Take it to the max now. Jam in this small jam way. Jam in this small jam way.
My bestie and your bestie dancing by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ne.
Let me take it from here. Solomon girl straight up, right hoochie mama. Make me party non-stop in a island banda. Swing those hips and back it up to me ragga. A chance for party ladies do the doggy doggy. I'm drumming island reggae, rapping blue, green and yellow. Me jumping and baby, make a slow wine for me baby. Speakers pumping, people jumping. We drumming the island way.
Shout out to the good time crew all across the islands. Grab your shoes, let me 2x2, and now we're shining bright like diamonds. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ne.
Yes, one drop it low now. Take it to the max now. Jump in the small jam way. Wind it.
Wind up, go down, wind up, go down. Twist your body backward.
We go.
Left, left, we go right, right. Turn it around and
Wind
forward.
and go down again.
Wind up, go down, wind up, go down.
All right, so we got the last call for alcohol before you take a seat. All right, so if you got to get a drink, get it now. 2 more minutes, and then we get the show started, huh? Yeah, but lela o mai kogule ngali ia fa pe ngai lo me ing o fa pe ona o ka mai keming ia. Manga ia le orte me ya ngai mai le solo le tato bridal party ia o mo makako vai ia o tato ia o mai tato na fo.
also said 2 times I would play. Along the way, each and every day, as I would tell you, like the good Bible says, I would say, well, he's off on the track. Said they ain't one gonna turn him back, as I would tell you. You know. Yeah. One time as I would play. One time down the lane as I would tell you each and every day. Go see that young doctor as I would say. This that doctor as I would tell you so fine, you know. So fine as I would play. Fine as I would tell you. Real cool. Watch it. You know, music-wise, say they want to go to socialize, you know.
Aren't you something to admire? 'Cause you shine on something like a mirror, and I can't help but notice you reflect in this heart of mine. If you ever feel alone and the glare makes me hard to find, just know that I'm always very loud on the other side. 'Cause if you're in my head.
Ia o te walau atu ma le ava ma whalualo ia tu mai se taimi se whai atu ai se whamatalanga a matalia o re tātou pokalame. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now officially going to start our formalities. O le amatalia o re tātou pokalame I le nei tūla le aso. O te tari tonu wa e sau aso le nei. O e sau e te moli mau I le anga le leia le atua. I le unga li fou. O whapeona whatasia la ua. Le ena tātou iai I le sauninga. Ia. Sa whapeona taitaina le sunga ar whawhengainga. Watu ai ma upu whalai au. Le ala ua amata I nei. I le savalinga le la savali mai tonu I Ia mata fo I le me o kaule pe lo loto ngatas. Pe fia. Pe le fia. Anga le so nei le ka ke mai. To celebrate in union of two has become one. Amen. Alela matalia tato pokalame. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to now introduce our bridal party. It's an honor for me to be here. Alia matalia le tato pokalame. Le ale motor pao I lo ingo Aaron Kapisi. O le kausonga ale kama fai poipo nga mafeola mai o mala iki I Samoa. Nga mafeola mai vai nganga wang penga se lua e kausanga o ke makua I pe makua I Richie ia. Ia nga mafeola mai ia awa moa le avanua. You know, my Richie ia, hey cuz, can you please MC my wedding? And I was like, oh no Richie, I can't. But ona lo wa lofa ia Richie. Ia le o tato fatas. Le kopa ia mar ko malu ia la le to o is famatalanga or te mine o la matalia tato pokalame. I am now going to introduce our bridal party for the Mr. and Mrs. Keil's wedding today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, first up, DJ. Round of applause for Francis and Melissa.
Just when you thought it was over, we coming again. DJ King G.
Yo, Bucky. Ladies and gentlemen, Francis and Melissa. You guys gotta come all the way up here.
To the dance floor. Everybody.
Yeah. All right.
Move your body.
Inside here. Siva. Yeah, I might say Patina, but Francis and Melissa.
Let's go.
O leo watu lua le tato vasenga. Tu fatasi o for William and Carlina.
Lord Almighty, feel my temperature.
Let's go.
Rising. Higher and higher, it's burning through to my soul.
Ako leva kasi siva la wanga yeli ako kay Lucas.
Girl.
In the middle.
Set me on fire.
All right, finish off. Come on.
My brain is flaming. I don't.
Yeah, let's get back to William and Carlina. Up next, ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Caleb and Rosalili.
The room is on fire.
Come on, Bucky, the roof is on fire. Go.
Follow the leader, follow the leader. Follow me. Follow the leader, follow the leader.
Yay. See the energy's right here.
Follow the leader.
In the middle.
Down.
Finish it off. Come on. Up. Siva.
Down.
Up. Down. One more time. Up. Down. Ahí se Bucky.
Put your hand in the air.
Caleb and Rosalina.
Hand in the air.
Ia o leo wa tu wha de tātou wasenga. Ia, o pēra se au ngā sāre mena wa whai. Ia, ladies and gentlemen, ia o le uso lai tiki lea ma le kofinge. Ale kama whai poipo. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Egan and Tala Esea. Let's go.
Mi me decía que tú me querías y al final
ladies and gentlemen,
era mentira.
Egan and Talasea. Who's enjoying this little thing that we're doing? Yeah. Palo lava, mas é patinga para mangar kako. Holy. Yeah. Wala awat sun malo na fear. Lunga. Up, down. Yo, leo watu lima tato vasenga. Give it up for Eric and Julia. G-VAI ako ng Michael Jackson kakalesa. Come on, man. Koi kiki ako fai aku lukoi o lukoi sa vali mai koi lo. Wala kia ale filongia ka ko aso al mesa ko kuri o lukoi o mai. Ia malo lava. Ia o te nei ia ole wo silly. So the best man and the maid of honor. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Lawrence and Pea Ario. Pati Pea, lega che il parade. Oi le tua. Yo. Come inside here. Boom. Siva. Alu. Leka kayoba. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, mahalo la vaya kako. Say, faz kako paki. Keep on clapping until I say stop. So you clapping now. Keep on clapping. I didn't know say stop. But you clapping, it's a show of respect, right? It's a show of an achievement. Ole paki. Paki, eu queria ficar com o paki. Mas ela paki dia. Ia, olha tato tutulai. Leava marfarolo. Wala awat malo la fia tato tutulai. Lau paki dengan paki yang ni. Lau paki dengan paki. Ia, oleh ava ngolan ni. Ia kako paki. You're gonna clap and you're gonna cheer. Mr. and Mrs. Keil. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the bride and groom, Mr. and Mrs. Keil. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Just keep it shake like you're going mad. Show them you just get on bad. Just make that bumper drop and go. Stop. Girl, just push it back and wind to the ground. Wind to the ground. Stop. Girl, just cock it back and pull to the ground. Girl, just make that bumper bounce to the ground. Girl, you could get charged.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Keil.
Wind it like that. Say you could get charged.
You may be seated. Thank you. Hey. Pe kau fia mo moe pe molen mga va. Hey. Yeah. Ole ava male fa loa. O te fa fe loai ma o fa talo fa atu i le pa ia ma le malo re tato a fia i nei tula le aso. Tu lo le au whainga ruenga pa ia le atua wa peona tato fa tas. O le tatalo le ainga ngalua. Ia tu maur whaunga le atua. Ia wha malolonga le atua. Ia wale taita inga lafu mamoe. Tele tangata o lo mana o mia whaorotanga le atua. Ia o le awa noa nei o le wa tato whaatasi. Ia ma suiwa aia le atua whapeona tato whaatasi o te whaatalofa. Le swafa manu malo le Yesu Keristo le neitu la le aso. Mai se taulanga pati ngā mo le tato au whaingaluanga pa ia le atua. Le foi o tatou whaatasi ma le taitai a Sauninga. Ia Pastor Victor Pouesi. Ia paftai foi lo ngaluenga fita foi o nei aso. Ia o taritonu. Wa manuia lava leunga alifo. I whapea tangata na moni mawina nei aso. I se taulanga pati. Ia mo le sunga whawhengainga ia Reverend Victor Pouesi. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. O tupu mai e la tunu o whapeona tātou whatas. O te whatalo whatu. O le au le tā ua ni swafa. I te ua whai atu se tala. Ia ais, sa sielek taria kapis. Ia na faila ia ma lape for tato mafutanga. Ai avea foi la le swafa manmalo iskeri so te fata alofa tu ia tupu mai o Samoa fa pe tato fatasi talonga patsi. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Ia lepa ia malma malu o le tato ofia. Se o mai le e matua se o la varfana witi. Greetings, fata alofa tu ia te oe se talonga patsi. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Our bridal party, greetings. We're here today to celebrate, so you guys being with the groom and the bride, supporting them throughout this time, you know, congratulations to you guys. Round of applause for the bridal party. Ia vapele ungali fou. Ia, Richie. Luisa, ia o te whatalo whatu. Ia te o lua. Ma whawhatai mo rewa no walo tu o mai. Ia o te tū la i nei aso. Ia stolanga pati mo le wari fau. Now we're up to our house rules. Ia, tu lo le motu ma le afi marangangana. O tato whale le tā ua. O lo iei le tūta matau. E te enta marwhaitu o le i le tūta matau, tato whale le tā ua, low. In case of an emergency, where do we meet? Not at the train station, just outside here. There's a car park that's just here. There's a big assembly point that's there, so that's where we're going to meet. Just in case of an emergency, do not run. Just walk like this and just walk out. Amen. Yeah, male si kula fongo le kako esa ona ave ni kako meingu. No alcohol outside that door. So all the alcohol that we're gonna have tonight, all inside the venue. We can't take it out because ole ai foi kula fongo ale fale le kako fonganga. Yeah, ole kula fonga kake follow mai. Yeah, all the time day. Yeah. Okay, long I ke so fai mai. I have a little activity, all right? So on your table, each table you guys are going to participate, all right? I want you guys to, one person from your table, pull out maybe a coin. Just pull it out. One person, pull out a coin. If you guys can participate, this thing will be really quick. If you have the coin on your table, that one person, please lift up your hand. Up. Lift up your hand. This side here, come on, look for a coin. Lift up your hand if you got a coin. So that one person that's holding the coin, hold it. Okay. So the next person, I want you, one person from that table, lift up a glass. One person, just nominate one person. Yeah, hold up the glass. So if you're holding the coin, you can't hold the glass. Okay, hold up the glass. Okay. So now that's done. So make sure you got the coin and the person's got the glass. The next thing, you see this little box here? Nominate one person, hold it. Nominate one person to hold it. Hold it up. Okay. And then the last one. You see this, the table number? Every table's got a number. So you nominate one person to hold it. Nominate one person to hold it. Okay, so it should be different people that are holding each item that I said, all right? DJ, you're gonna play this song. I want you to rotate, you give it on the side, just on your left. So your left, so you give it, just let it go around in circles until the song finishes. All right? Okay? DJ, play the song. All right, come on. Pass it over, pass it over, pass it over. Pass it. You know, this side is doing really good. This side here, come on, pass it around. Pass it around. So we're gonna stop in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Okay. So now it's all been rotated? Okay. So if you are holding the coin, lift up your hand. Lift up your hand if you're holding the coin. Lift it up. All right. You are now the captain of that table. Okay? You are the captain of the table. So that means when we play the song and the people are going to come and dance, you're going to bring up that people there. You are going to be the one that's going to be the captain. So if you're holding the coin, lift it up. So ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for the captains for today. Okay. If you're holding the glass, put up, whoever stopped the glass. Whoever's got the glass. All right, ladies and gentlemen, introducing your bartender and your waiter for today. So remember I said there's no service. There's no service today. So if you got the glass, whoever needs a drink, you let that person that has the glass come and get you a drink. Give it up for the bartender. If you're holding the box, come on. Put it up, whoever got the box. O te van au atu man falo alo. Kulai o apa penga ke uar pusalia. Kulua, famole. Oh yeah. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're holding this box, you are the responsible one. So throughout this table, if you know that person that's there, you can see that they're getting drunk, you tell them, I think that's enough. Ai o solo boya o le ke o le pusa. O e ke fai pa ki da so ge. And our final one is the table number. If you ended up holding the table number, put your hand up. Put your hand up if you're holding the table number. Please be upstanding. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Oh, that's it. Everybody that's got this, stand up. While you're holding it, look at it. Look at it and picture it. Picture it in your mind. Hold it, hold it. I'll give you 5 seconds to look at it. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the people that are going to be helping us clean up. Hey! So if you are holding it, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, self-serve. Self-serve, you walk up, once you get your drink, next drink you get, and go replace my alaka maripesa DJ. Yang saula ia ko fais ka ko pokalami akemi ka ko eva DJ ka me ka ko pese. What did you? Oh yeah, clean up.
Baby, I'm broken down. I need your loving, I need it now. When I'm without you, I'm something weak. Begging, I'm on my knees. I wanna be needing your love. I just wanna be deep in your love. And it's killing me when you're away. Oh baby, 'cause I really don't care where you are. I just wanna be there where you are. And I gotta give it one little take. pieces. You pick them up. Don't leave me hanging, hanging. Come give me some. When I'm without you, I'm so insecure. You are the one thing I'm living for. I wanna be needing your love. I just wanna be deep in your love. And it's killing me when you're away. Oh, baby, I don't care where you are. I just wanna be there where you are. And I gotta give one little taste. Sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me? I'm right here, 'cause I need little love and little sympathy. Yeah, you show me good loving, make it alright. Need a little sweetness in my life. Sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me? Yeah. I want that red velvet, I want that sugar sweet. Don't let nobody touch it unless that somebody's me. I gotta be a man, there ain't no other way. 'Cause girl, you're hotter than a Southern California day. I don't wanna play no games, you don't gotta be afraid. Don't give me all that shy shit, no makeup on, that's my sugar. Yes please, come and put it down on me. I'm right here, 'cause I need love and little sympathy. So baby, just show me good loving, make it alright. Need a little sweetness in my life. Sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me? Down on me. Yes please. Come and put it down on me. I need sympathy. You show me good loving, make it alright. Need a little sweetness in my life. Sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me? Down on me.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down, can't none bring me down. The love is too high. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. I said, 'cause I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room
Say, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you.
Get all my head into the bed, girl. Cause you don't know, plotting out the fantasy. Hey baby girl, and it's you are the key. Yo, because I then from you looking at me, I can me say you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? Because your body enticing me, making me want it. When you gonna give it up to me? When you gonna today, girl, then I must see tomorrow. When you fulfill my fantasy, because you know I give you love and shade like an arrow. When you gonna give it up to me? So fuck it up there, so fuck it up, yeah. Cause I wanna be the man that's really gonna up it up and mock it up and rock it up there. So what is up, yeah, you know you got the vibe in me at a develop and I swell up and double up, yeah. So give me the work, yeah, and rope in to fend for dirty looks and corrupt, yeah. So rev it up, there, girl, go and try your luck, there. Cause when you step it up, you know me have to measure up, yeah. From you looking at me, I girl, me say you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? Because your body enticing me, making me want it. When you gonna give it up to me? When you gonna today, girl, then I must see tomorrow. When you fulfill my fantasy, because you know I give you love and shade like an arrow. When you gonna give it up to me? Everything, girl, so me love to see you walk. Can I habla English for the season when me a talk? This I wanna from me yard. Woman, you got me caught. You ever in me thoughts and I left me in the dark, in the first place, girl, that's where you belong. So just let me flip the switch, woman, I can turn it on and give it a passion from dusk till dawn. Tell me if you want it, fig one, my girl.
As a woman on my own, I got it going on. I'm liking what I'm seeing, I don't wanna be alone. Cause you got me in the days, the illusion makes me sweat. Go back and forth and up and down your way. Baby boy, could it be wonderful like this? They say it's all about in the way you twist. Cause you got me in the days, the illusion makes me sweat. I'm caught up in you now, I'm tempted to stay.
Looking at me, I can me say you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? Because your body enticing me, making me want it. When you gonna give it up to me? When you gonna today, girl, then I must see tomorrow. When you fulfill my fantasy, because you know what you love and shade like an arrow. When you gonna give it up to me? Up then, up yeah.
Boom, 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 boom. Come on.
Boom, it up then, up yeah.
Boom, 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 boom.
So why can't you see we ought to be together, girl, don't front on me. I just wanna be near, so don't have no fear. And let me see you bring your body right over here, because you should share it, girl, I care it. And I'm gonna give you love so clear, it's gonna make you shine. And once you are mine, we'll be rocking it until the end of time. But looking at me, I can see say you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? Because your body enticing me, making me want it. When you gonna give it up to me? When you gonna today, girl, then I must see tomorrow. When you fulfill my fantasy, because you know I give you love and shade like an arrow. When you gonna give it up to me? But looking at me, I can see say you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? Because your body enticing me, making me want it. When you gonna give it up to me? When you gonna today, girl, then I must see tomorrow. When you fulfill my fantasy, because you know I give you love and shade like an arrow. When you gonna give it up to me? Yeah, yeah. Yo, 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 Shonda Walla, you know we are not yo, yo. Yeah, yeah, yo, yo, the SB and we they up on the go, yo. Sean Paul, Keisha Cole and Dan Carleone. Our next chapter, yeah man, for all my girls, you know. Keep it, let's dance.
Ia au whaile tātou mawhitanga le nei tūla. Tara noa le tangata na iau au tafa. Mai whai e se rau au le lei. Whai le tangata na au tafa, e se rau au le lei nei aso. Nei whaasanga nei le si kū whai e se rau au le lei. Ia ole a kaka mai pere musika DJ. Koe se fulu minguki o ngā kako ola ele si vaengar pokalame o le tato tau mawhitanga. Yeah, vai so vai ingo go refill and then come back. 10 more minutes and dinner will be served. All right? Thank you.
sami o maunga mavao o te tawa sa ai o whainga tamatinga o mea uma o te inu ia Sawi oil wow si tau mai o na o ita ta o to mai wow ta musu musu mai ilo tavinga si tau mai itelo for morning dear ita awane I engalo ida leta benga o sami o maunga mavao o te tawa sa ai Whainga tamatinga o mea uma o te inu ia o le sami o maunga mavao o te tawa sa ai o whainga tamatinga o mea uma o te inu ia o le sami o maunga mavao o te tawa sa ai
Ia o te taritonu o kero ka koula wa o manga yelo vai ingu le o yelo vai ar ke minangi ia mana o mia furana me fa kumo manga vai ingu le vai ia o taritonu o le tatu o le si vai nga tatu pokalame ia o le tatu tau mafutanga. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to get to our refreshments and we're going to have dinner served. And the way that this works is I've been told by the chef at the buffet there's 2 lines. There's one on each side. And then when you start, you just make your way through and then you come to your table. And I'm going to call out your table. When I call out your table, I'm going to call out one from here, one from that side. But we're going to get to this, our refreshments and our dinner, and I'll kindly call upon Pastor Chris Sola to please come and say grace and bless the food. Pastor Chris. Ia whamolmole le pa ia maleo fia, ia tu mai sewa noa, ia se I whapa ia sunga whawhiringa ia re tātou taumawhtanga.
Tātou taro, let us pray. Mātou I loa le di ie le mamalu tele o le nei aso. We whātāua ina le osinga whea ngainga I le vā o le whatoano futane ma le whatoa whai a vā whātasi maloa whiu. Mātou whāpea lea ua mamalu ai le nei aso. Ua mamalu ai foe o le nei whale. Wa lau whina ngalo lava lea mo Reginald ma Luisa. Mai lava le tae au mātou moli mauina le o singa whea ngainga. Mātou whālongo I la ua mole mau. Mātou whālongo I le whaitauina lau tu spaia. Ai mai se le laonga ina le whionga pa ia oelo mātou atua. Ia vea le tāne, o le tāne a lofa I lana a vāpe o na lofa ke riso I lana e kalesia, ua fua I elo no ola. Mai e whape nā o na lofa ma ava ma matao le a vā I lana tāne. O le winga lea, o le tūwhatasio e la ua whaimaurunga ri fōu, o le whengainga e pa ia, o le whengainga mai le langi, o walo whina ngalo whai pēr le neila lo langi. Whamanuia I a Reginald ma Luisa, le ngari fōu, whamanuia le mātou whapotopotonga, a le nei tu la mātou saoni talia fō le tino, o le tau samaanga, o le whaironga ina lea o le whengainga sa o sia lo maru, mātou talia ma le anganga o le viinga ma le anganga o le whawhitai, I mawalunga I pēle viinga I a te oelo mātou tamā. Whamanuia I a lātou uma sa tā pēneina, e whafonga tau mawha, lau sunga lau auna ma le whalitua, e mamaru I vasenga whaiwhe au ma lātou whalitua. A mai se mamaru sa moe ona tūlanga te tele, ia manene au fia. Father, we thank you. Lord, we thank you for your goodness, your grace and your mercy. We are mindful that today is a sacred day. We are mindful, Father God, of the sacredness of marriage. And we come together as a family to celebrate the wedding covenant through the table fellowship and the receiving of the food. So, Lord, bless our food to each and every one of us. Whamanuia I o mātou I mea ai, whapaia mea ai o mātou tino, moes o mātou mālosi. Mana tua I pēr le maniu ti ngā o I keriso Iesu I lunga le sātau mo I mātou umalava. I mawalunga le vi inga I a te oi ono Iesu. Ameni.
Ia whaftai lo sunga le whawhengainga. Ia Chris Sola, ia mole whamanuianga I le tātou taumawhtanga. Ia ai le pa ia man malo le tātou au fia. Lava pale mai, lava le sai. Se I ora kemi o ke wala au inga I lau le lu mela lau. Ia ora kemi la ngai ki sawa I lunga ai o le lava ngofa alo le nei. Ia e tu atu le lau sufitu, sfuruono. Ia masul lima. Ia margako bridal party marsunga ia o koula leo mo mo. Ia toi fa fo I mai la le merenga o fa ia ko. O le kala leo ke fa longo le wosu mai sunga ia sia ka fa mai ia. Mai kuro nga kapere povi. E lele I fa mai le uma le lenga penga re povi. Fa mai koe kua koe singa fa mai su 5 minute fa malu ru atu. Fa mangalo mai le karia ka hapisi wo so vale. Ia ai kemingi ka la koe ka mai pese DJ. Fa kai le sunga fa fenga nga wo fa ka kalo ka ko me ai. Ia papa ia foi ma me inu le ka ko ke feingu ai. Ia eva mai fa malu ru ka ko mafkanga. Ia DJ ko ka ka ko pese. Ko kiki aur ke me kala dance floor ai ka kala le MC.
I can't take it. I'm so lonely, girl, I need you so.
Mangaya nga ipese e kaka ko fulele faingi manga karkarangor kaka nga au kafa au ai ke pepelo ere fiefile tot pelo ere stangata eva malie pamakala ine mangaya ngai kausanga yo ngaluenga ela umar tausanga la tato celebrating le te fa na umero tato li faola pese ia eva lue lo ulu ingu so va ingu.
remember all the good times that we had before. Oh, I remember, and now my heart, very soul cries out for more. But baby, all your love for me is dying. Ooh, tears on my pillow, pain in my heart. You are my life. I can't take it. I'm so lonely, girl, I need you so. I can't take it. Oh, I wonder why you had to go. But baby, all your love for me is dying. Ooh, tears on my pillow, pain in my heart. You on my mind, yeah. Tears on my pillow, pain in my heart. You on my mind, yeah. Tears on my pillow, pain in my heart. You on my mind.
I was standing all alone against the world outside. You were searching for a place to hide, lost and lonely. Now you've given me the will to survive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive.
Don't you worry, sometimes you just gotta let it hide. The world is changing right before your eyes. Now I find there's no more emptiness inside. When we're hungry, love will keep us
I would die for you.
climb the highest mountain, and baby, there's nothing I will do. I was standing all alone against the world outside. You were searching for a place to hide.
Lost and lonely, now you've given me to survive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive.
When we're hungry, love will.
Ia le pa ia man malor tato fia. O le ua maua marikala I orka koko inga le kuka. Ia, fa mei koe lusu mi nguke. Aure keimi langi. Wai ese ala keimi ar kangaka, ese keimi le kua. Ke roro keimi le kua roko mea kia. E wha opopo ingiska ko me ka ke whakarikali. Ingiska ko poka lame. Aure keimi langi. Le uka ko o la vernge eva ngoa. E whai le siva. Ale unga li fo. Ko ke mali lie. Mangaya. Mangaya ka komori mawinga le siva mua. Reggie and Luisa, you guys are gonna have your first dance. And this is gonna alter this relationship. This be leader Richie, be leader Lucia. Richie o le taitai le ainga le la yai. La fai o mawhataita inga, e te taita ia Luisa, I le siva le unga li fo. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to now have the first dance of the new Mr. and Mrs. Keil. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Reggie and Luisa. Ia whamarurua tu le tātou awhia. Ia ngai technical difficulties a le vao o Richie ma le sungar DJ. Lava pealo o sai. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now found a song. It was a different version that Reggie wanted, but then he didn't send it. I think he sent it through WhatsApp. Yeah. DJ, ladies and gentlemen, the first dance of the new couple, Mr. and Mrs. Keil. mai se patina mo le ngali fo.
Nai o uma salo salonga e moni o lo alofa olea faya uma ofa pa olonga so se fina walele avea ia oi fai mo usei te ufi maluia o ene fa o a o lola lele
Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Keil. Yeah, so myself pati mo le ngali fo. Esele manga ia siva kamara Richie. O so ia, o Richie sa kele Michael Jackson. A lo que vai a quelle lei for siva la kamale. E siva siva wosi. Ia, o le si partner ka ko poka la me la e ku a lo fa tali ta to me to sam. Ia leva no le la tu atu le tamar tini fai poipo. Ia, e fai sona moli mau. Ia, ia wale la maftanga. Ia mana fing. Ia mole le sofa pitoa siana fing. Ia wala atu sunga le tamar le tini fai poipo. Ia, ma se pati nga mole. Mole kausinga le nga kausia ko. Inga le nga finge le wa. Wa ia lo kamo Richie. Ia. Eles kamai kausinga len kausi kamai ale. Isi. Ya, mau ya le.
Ya. Mole atule. Pafta itelele. Pule tau samanga le ni tuaso. E pupuasi moli mau. O Luisa ia le ulu matua le mawhanau. Ia o se tangata sa whaina tātele, whalonga tā, le whalongo nisi o teimi, peitai. E le mapu ai le leo le matua, sa o ina pēma whaatonu, le si teimi ma te tuli pātasi, e mōmole tō, ia e mōmole atu si lo o awhine. Ai whawhitai le tua, lea ua tali leso. Manatu o tātou matua, awane i o tātou whanau tūlanga pe o na i ni ono pō, tātou pawhautua, ia ma, ia lea lea, whawhitai lea tua, i lo whatau nuina le nei saso. E whamoe wa taunu, le la au le soifua ia ala le sa karameta pa ia le fa poiponga ia o ia lo ai mo fanau o susta e ana fa no tani se ten ai fa longo pe upo matua le la o la tu mo le sofia fierne le te fa tai ai foi le fine mes foi le atali o te fia foi fa le felo le atali o le ainga ia o le tama ia Reginald ia uma i ko ingus ka fangu o le fale nga hei kai ia amanua le toa. I don't think I will say any because I'm not a very good English speaker, but yeah, I think the Spirit of God will translate that to you, for those who don't speak English, some more. But I have to thank those people, Luisa's medical staff from Manurewa, local doctors from Manurewa. Where are you guys? Are you around here, or can I have a show of hands? Some nurses here. So very welcome. I'm very pleased to welcome you guys here. So please enjoy yourselves. And there's a lot of food here and some drinks in the back. Yeah. God bless you and all of you. All of you. Thank you. By the way, Papatai, Papatai tele le sunga le toina, ya moli sauninga, ya mesfoile sunga le toina pensione, manun falitua, ya mesfoile au whangarenga pa ia le tua, tato vatasi le neaso, Papatai tele, ya whamanua le tua lo tau ngā luenga, wa le tau longolongoina le tala le lei, ina ya tupu maola, tato mo le tua manun finangalo, ya manuia le neaso.
Yeah, but you say patina mo le samar 25 people. Yeah, okay. Is it almost ready? They said I can add another 10 minutes. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to add another thing to our program while we still wait for our dinner tonight. We're going to give it to the Maid of Honor, and she's going to say a speech. And then after this one here, and then I'll just talk to one of the chefs and see what's going on, all right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, Maid of Honor, where are you?
Salofalava everyone. So my name is Bea Ariel. Luisa is the oldest out of us four. Then it's myself, and then it's our brother Eric. Put your hand up, Eric. And then it's the baby of the family, Rosalili. Hand up. First and foremost, all glory to God. That's okay. For those who probably knew me and Luisa growing up, we always used to fight. And I'm not talking about your little palangi arguments here and there. I'm talking street fighting. UFC rolling on the floor. And that stopped only last week. Luisa, man, I didn't prepare anything. But yeah, growing up, we never used to get along. But one thing I would say about Luisa is anytime somebody will come after me, she will step in. So that's the kind of person Luisa is. She's very protective. She does have a hard exterior. But deep down, she's a wonderful person. It takes time for her to trust people. And Reggie, I think we can all feel the love that he has for my sister, and vice versa. And I'm so grateful for you, Reggie. The patience that you have to deal with her, because man, good luck. But welcome to the family, Reggie. Thank you so much to his ainga as well. his friends, just seeing everyone here in the room, the love that we see and feel. And also thank you to Uncle Victor for your laonga today, you know, the importance of having God in your marriage, right? And I hope that you guys grow from it. This is your new foundation. Yeah, I'm so proud of you, Luisa, the kind of woman that you have become. Reggie, as Uncle said, you protect my sister. As my dad said, otherwise probably TKO. And Luisa, you respect your husband, okay? I love you both so much. Welcome to the family, Reggie. No refunds or returns, okay? But, yeah, it better not happen, otherwise me and Dad will be showing up. But, yeah, welcome to the family, and love you heaps, Issa. I'm so proud of the woman you are today. Whakataitele lava.
Thank you to the maid of honor. Yeah. Now I have had communication with the chef and in the kitchen. All right, so the time, you know, we should be proud of what we're doing today, because we are ahead of time, which is not a Samoan thing to do, but we are ahead of time. So the time that we meant to have our dinner was 5:30. It's 4 o'clock. So that means we are ahead. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, it's something that we should be proud of. And, you know, it's given us an opportunity so we can get our formalities going through. So right now, I don't know if, Lawrence, are you ready? We're going to pass it over to the best man for his speech. And then we'll keep on going until I get confirmation from those guys there, but it's good to get these formalities through. Ladies and gentlemen, the best man, Lawrence Keil.
Thanks, guys. Hey, talofa lava, everyone. I'm Lawrence. I'm Reggie's younger brother. We come from a family of 5, so I'm the second eldest, and Reggie being the eldest, of course. And we grew up like close in age and stuff, so we were practically like twins. So people always got us mixed up. And I was like, are we that obvious? Do we look the same? So while growing up in Samoa, like wherever Reggie went as kids, I followed after him. He was the energetic one, the vasti one, and I was the quiet one. Like while playing around, I remember picking up sticks and we would pretend to be samurai, sword fighting. And we used to go to the back where our grandparents' house was, where there's this big mud and mangroves. We used to play mud fights as well with our cousins. And we always grew up close together and stuff. And sometimes Reggie, he'll just wander off and he'll go to other neighbors' houses that we don't even know. He'll just wander through the door and he'll go up to the fridge and say, hey, do you guys have any chocolate? And you're always just ransacking through the food, eh? Yeah. And then sometimes, I heard this one story. I'm sure for all of you who know Reggie, there's this one particular story that he tells everybody, all right? When he was a young guy, when he was a little kid, he actually boarded the plane. Like he got through security, and security had to drag him out of an airplane, right? So what happened was, like my dad, he was dropping off my grandpa at the airport, right? And then Reggie was supposed to be with him, but then he's like, oh, where's Reggie? He's gone, right? So then he goes to, the departure, right? And then they see security just walking out the door, and they're dragging this little kid. It was Reggie, and they're wondering, how'd you get through? They said, this boy was found seated by the pilot seat. So somehow he ran away from check-in, ran through the security, and actually got on the plane. And then they dragged him out. So growing up with Reggie, everyone knows that he was always the energetic, vasti one. So now, like, while growing up, I always hope like he will find someone that will match his energy, or someone who can pull him back, take care of him. I'm sure he found someone like that in Luisa. Yeah, Luisa, thank you for being patient with Reggie. And thank you for looking out for him. And thank you for taking care of him and always giving him chances. I'm sure you guys will get along very well, and that you guys will take very good care of each other, and that you'll find a best friend in each other, all right? Because I see like the love between you two, and you guys are always committed, always on video calls every night. They even sleep on video calls. But now, like after you move in together, you wouldn't have to video call anymore, right? Not anymore. But yes, I hope you guys continue this journey, continue to love, and continue to grow together, and that you never change, okay? Everyone raise your glass, please. And cheers to the new couple, to Reggie and Luisa.
Nice features.
What's up, Lawrence? Yeah, wala se o ko walu mo se vale le o kamaya ma ko ele kamay kangaka pasile security o le le lungo vale le ngofo ka far pai laki. Yeah, you're a pilot now, huh? All right. Lela afkai le wosili ia mo le speech nei aso ia nai ko ke lo ia close al mafkanga Lawrence ma Richie. Ole mama fkanga la makaka Richie. Sorry. O Richie umi ya mako ya so ya mako like. A faingela mako la kapi ya so ya. Ki nganga le ka alos kamo Richie. I'm like, Richie, come here, go team up with those guys there. Nga mako faila ranga pasi ede polo ya Richie. Ya sapo me Richie fape nga mako kula ye pu e. Ya e ki nganga pu e ya le se kala Richie faia. Wala ko Richie failang kamama lang kinga fa mai lenga pu ya. Okay ngia lo mako e korema siria ya so ya. Ya or kamiki. Ya they go ke ai foi ku manga Richie. Yeah, he's a unique kid. Soft kid. On me like Richie. E mai kau mai Richie me. Hello Richie Richie, what was the date you met Luisa?
January 2020. Nah, I actually met her online back in 2016.
My Richie Mayo. So that means he's got like a photographic memory. So that's one of his Richie. So Richie, yeah, fangalo memory nga. Yeah. Failu ainga. Lo se me fo ele tu ya Richie. Yeah, okay, lo se me la fangai Richie. Wale lo lumo la ainga artemini. Ole ovala awa tu ilo. Ole si cousin Richie. So Tyrone Swoga, can you please come up? So this is one of Reggie's cousins that we grew up together. He lives down in Ashburton, and he's a singer. You will see him on YouTube, and it's an honor to have him here. He's just gonna serenade us with a song that for Reggie. Oh, come on this side, Tyrone, and then you face those guys there. Hey, alangalar kama. It is someone may say mic stand. Yeah, mic. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, Tyrone Swoga.
Thank you. Reggie, just want you to know that we love you so much, and this is a song I wrote for you. It's called Quando. Hope you enjoy it. Tell me, when will you be mine? Tell me quando, quando, quando we can share our love divine. Please don't make me wait again.
When will you say yes to me? Tell me quando, quando, quando you mean happiness to me. Oh, my love, please tell me when. Every moment's a day. Every day seems a lifetime. Let me show you the way to a joy beyond compare. I can't wait a moment more. Tell me quando, quando, quando is it me that you adore? Oh, my love, please tell me where.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tyrone Smoga. I taught that kid everything he knows. I taught him. I was his first agent back in Samoa. So, ladies and gentlemen, do you want him to sing later on today? Maybe another song later on? You guys make the choice, because he said to me, I'm only going to sing one song. But then I just broke the rule, and then I asked you guys want him to sing again later on? All right, so he's going to sing later on. Gaming, does your drink need refill? Does your drink need refill? Because we are still 30 minutes away. Yeah, like I'm going to DJ. Just go fill out your drink, talk, have a little chat. Say to that person next to you, how's your week? What's your plans for Christmas? DJ, mas kako pese. Ia ngana faso solo na ia svanga tatu pokalame. Ma lo lava lo sai. Ma maludua tu tatu maftanga. Ino was set time yo tatu to maftanga. So whoever was nominated as your bartender, this is your time. Give them the order, give her the order. Ada fai melo mengu.
DJ Ben.
Testing mic 1, 2. For our families that are having items, whapeo ngai elo item ngai whai, kemi ngai wa elo pese, hui i le DJ. E o ako kemi o ke wala awa koe, awa ko sahaungi. Okay, for la, kwar kemi e la lakalaka kemi ke G-VAI. Ar kemi ngai, if you have a song that needs to go to the DJ so we don't need to wait, make your way, come around if you for the items after the formalities that we're having. And then we'll start the family service. And I'll call upon the bridal party to please. Kawalawa to le tatu bridal party. Malunga i lewa lela hanu les kako po kalame le fa alu le kako kaimi le mowa. Kamol mole. DJ. Call upon the bridal party, please come up. Back on your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, apa pe ko ke va ai mai le kama au le leile ma ke kukua kununga i. Ese lau le leia kama le numa ia. Are you a model, man?
No.
What was your name?
Caleb.
Caleb, how old are you, Caleb?
I am 19.
And what do you do? Go to school, uni, rugby?
I play for the All Blacks.
See, ladies and gentlemen, this is Caleb Clark that plays for the All Blacks. So while he's standing here, if you look here, this is Oinga Ilanga Kyokusi. Who's got his who's got the envelope that they want to put in the gift box? So while he is holding, this is my motto. This is the gift box here, and it's right over here. So if you have your envelope and you want to put it inside, just come around, and then this will be it. Thank you, Caleb. G-VAI, aku pere o fio mai kako bridal party lunga. Guys, bridal party, please come up. Ma lo lava lunga sa. So if you're in the bridal party, please come up on your table. Ia e whaamalo lava leo sai. I le tōpa ia marito mamalu. I le ainga le atua o whapero tato whatasi le au wala au lia. Ia. Whamangalo mai au au na nei whapeo o wawe longor ke meo kako mea ai. Lela whai malape ia o le asornge. O ke alu au inga o mawhau le vaso a kongi. Ia nga ora kausanga whokoi o kei wale ngar koe pe koe lima soi ko koe nge kausanga. Ia lewa ilunga i kako bridal party. O ngā le whaakani le kako mea kausami. Koe kolu lava ia mei ko koe. Ko ke mali e whauma. We got three more formalities that's on my program. Are you guys all right if we finish it off? If you guys want me to finish it off, say, oh yeah. What about this side here? Oh yeah? Yeah, so we got three more left. So, ole whauma le kako pokalame leo. Ia kau ia lamar ke mea kako mei kau sami. Ole ava nole nei. Ole a whai eile siva o le tama le tēne whai poiku. Ia malona a whingi. This is going to be the father and the bride dance. So ladies and gentlemen, call upon the father and the bride. Olo taimi le nei. Ia, e wala o tūle.
First man to hold me, first one to know me, first love.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. Ole siva, ole tama, ia maratene whai poipo le nei tū la le fiafi.
One day I'll be with someone as good as you, Dad. Now here we are, and there he is, just a few steps away. He'll take my hand forever, but he'll never take your place. You gave me my smile, you gave me my eyes, you gave me the silver lining way I look at life. You gave him your blessing to give me his last name, but you'll always have the part of my heart no one can replace. Daddy, that's the promise I give you today. Will you give me away? My heart is racing, I see him waiting. He's gonna change my whole world. But in this moment,
special moment.
You gave me my smile. You gave me my eyes. Thank you for the silver lining way I look at life. You gave him your blessing to give me his last name, but you'll always have the part of my heart no one can replace. Daddy, that's the promise I give you today. Will you give me away? Will you give me away?
Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. What a beautiful moment. Thank you, Luisa. Ia whaftai le tamā le tēne whai puipo. Ia o le awa noa la lea. Ia lava mai pele on sai. Ia o la wala au atu le tamā. Ia o le tama whai puipo. Ladies and gentlemen, Asiaka Conrad Keil. Le a whaisona whamtalanga sana mori mau. Ia le la ua fui maftanga whainga tāma Richie.
Aftaia, Aaron. Ia mua pea ona Silvi inga mal whaftai tatou te malalangi, a wā fo ile tatou whamoe ne yaso. Welcome everyone. Welcome all the pastors and priests and all the families. I just want to say a couple of words about Reggie. Reggie has always been special to us as he was our firstborn. And he was born with some issues which he's grown up and overcome them. He's had a brain surgery, he's had spinal surgery, and thank the Lord that he's come through them safely. Thank you for the support of his siblings, especially his mother. Anyway, today is about them, and I'd like to thank each and every one of you for being here for them. Thank you to Luisa's family. Thank you to my family. For all those that have traveled from afar, for being here, for your help in kind, for your love and support. We know they will go far, and I'm counting on a few grandchildren since I don't have any. No pressure. No pressure, Lawrence, who got married 2 years ago. But thank you all for coming tonight. Apologies again for the slight delay in our meal, but you will not be disappointed. May the Lord bless us all as we depart safely. And I hope you all have designated drivers or you start drinking water. Yeah. Of Tai Lava, Manuel.
Yeah, of Tai Asiata. Yeah, lewa kako o mai le si ui foi o poka lame le formality le kako ma le bridal party o le siva ale tina o le tama fai poipo. Yeah, o le a fai la siva o la au atu Celia. Yeah, o lo wawa noa nei Reggie. Yeah, man. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for the mother and the groom.
For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you, I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up, never let me fall. You're the one who saw me through it all. You were my strength when I was weak.
gentlemen,
lifted me
the mother of the bride
when I couldn't
and the
reach.
groom.
You gave me back 'cause you believed I'm everything I am because you love me. Oh, you were always there for me, the tender wind that carried me, the light in the dark, shining your love into my life. You've been my inspiration through the lies you weren't true. My world is a better place because of you. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my strength. Voice when I couldn't speak. When I couldn't speak. You saw the best there was in me. You did
Go, Reggie.
you gave me faith 'cause you believed I'm everything I am because you love me. My power, you saw the best there was in me. I'm everything I am because you love me. Oh, I'm
Yeah, vai se pati na mole. Ai ke loko. Lau fa longa ko tako paki roi. Pe kau o ia le. Pero wa makanga wala au mai ko kongol mga warkanga ka fa mai. Wo okay me konga ai. And I have good news for you guys. Yeah. All right, it's ready? Yeah, lewa. I got a confirmation from the kitchen. Dinner is now ready. And it's ready to be served. Ala pe ko mai la se paki. Paki. Piko lea paki. Ia lewa uma na whapaia le sunga whawhengainga ia le tātou taumawhtanga. Ia o lea wala koe wala au atu, sfur fitu, sfur wono, sul lima. Ia ma le bridal party. Ia o re keimingi o kou. Lava pele o sai o te wala au atu o ke laku rologu. E mele lau. Ia ngai lola ia oele la oele tātou whasolonga. Ia lava nona nei. Ia le tātou tāmari pese DJ. Vai maka kou ia o refill mai kou vai. Go to the bar, refill. When I call your table, you'll be up. So you better smile at me because I'm the boss right now. Yeah, no, mai lo ulu.
Fo ile makuale koe kusa le malos. Kama ife au falongo akuole au. Ai akala o kamanga o kala pepelo. E ai masemboki. Uwinga mali e fa angalonga ka. Koe koe a mafoi se ngaluenga. Se ole happy love mama ai. Se me ake imu pepa.
Ja, wij gaan naar de sorry, ja, maar oma voor u, wat vouw mij. Oma volinge bij ons is al ai. Voor is in de meer ai longa uai kawaii. Ole fanuka vale vale mai. Kooi die ang Afrika solele man nice. Awala ia everything twice. Lo tolo ono fa kali kali mai. Mali saluli mai sasai.
Ai ai le best. Que se si waka fate. Fai mali sek. Ale au ma fate. Pamailo se kalima.
Wala ia ke mai kai.
Kong ole mala fa ko ya ina.
Ai se bebe singa o mea ila.
Kui maila ole musika.
Mai ai masi au penina.
Maila u meta po la wailima.
Ke ai fo i si o miva.
Awole bebesi.
Ia, lava mai pere o sai. Le koe kiki lava ki lia ka kolenga ia ngaka lakula ia o lesi lisi. Ai maka aka mai au kemingi. E ke ia wo piki alo lau e pe transfer mai se kupe ia. O ba vea lo la ia lo lau. Ia ma lo lava lo sai. All right, next on the list is table 19, table 18. and table 14. You guys can now make your way. I would like to thank everybody for their patience, all right? I know you guys are giving me the side eyes, but I'm just going with the list that I have. So please bear with me. Refill your drinks.
What does she do? Yes, she my Cinderella. She be the one who stops my rainy days like a umbrella. Oh, my Cinderella. Yes, she my Cinderella. Me if I really wanna love you.
Ia aruatsoi male lua se fulu. Ia umalole laulau ia. Ia na whaasolo malona ia kai kasi i. Alora male masai. Just a reminder, if you have items, make sure you bring your soundtrack to the DJ. Because when we start having dinner, when we start everybody's eating, we have some programs that we're going to go through.
Ia ole ava marfaroalo. O te wala aua toene no mela lua tasi. Malu mela lua pingo. O kouna ua lunga ngaftai. Ia, fai maalie le talinga le sua. Awat pole. O le fai mai e kau le leia le ka le kolu ia ka kome ai. Next up will be table number 9, table number 7, number 22, and number 24. You guys are up. Sorry about that. Your table's up. Make sure when you grab something to eat, you know that the dance floor is not open yet. So once the dance floor is open, you're gonna be dancing all night. So fill up your stomach. And then once we'll got the dinner ready and we'll start dancing, get our boogie on, huh?
Lost and I can't find my center. Oh, can't help the skelter in my chest. Ooh, you're on, survive my shelter. Only way I sleep through my unrest. Let the sky blow. If I'm looking at you, then my lens are rose. Looking at you, looking at you. If I'm looking at you, then my holy blindfold. When I'm looking at you, you got rest my soul. Feel like
guys,
please feel like
allow me.
sex like the rain in the desert. She blazing hot as embers. Euphoric touch, I'm floating away. And watch the air stop, that sun drop, dead oceans. The heat dry out the river. I don't care if the world going crazy. Let the sky blow. If I'm looking at you, then my lens are rose. Looking at you, looking at you. Looking at you, then my holy blindfold. When I'm looking at you, you got rest my soul. Feel like I saw the light. Feel like God rest my soul. Oh yeah, God rest my soul. Yeah, let the sky blow. If I'm looking at you, then my lens are rose. Holy blindfold. When I'm looking at you, you got rest my soul. Feel like I saw the light. Feel like when I'm looking at you, you got rest my soul. Got rest my everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so bad. Everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so bad. Walk with it, walk with it. Everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so bad. Now, watch me break it down.
Yeah. Girl, gotta work for me. Can you make it clap? No hands for me. Take it to the ground, pick it up for me. Look back at it all, I'm for me. Put it right like my time she ride it like a 63. I'ma ride those for me. Let her ride in the forest with me. Ooh, shit, like I'm her boo. And she down to break the rules. Ride it down, she gon' go. I'm gon' judge, she finesse. I fight, but she take that. Pulling over time on your body.
Just a reminder, whoever had this one here, you're the cleaner, right? Don't I haven't forgot. So if you're the cleaner, just keep an eye on your table.
She's beautiful, and I'm in love. Ay, 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 ay. She's the one, show my heart like a gun. Ay, 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 ay. She's beautiful, and I'm in love. Ay, 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 ay. She's the one, show my heart like a gun. Ay, 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 ay.
Up next on the buffet is number 12 and number 2. On this side here, please.
qui me fume pour moi man. Hey, I'm qui me court. Bang, she shot me one time. Bang, she shot me 2 times. Bang, 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 she shot me again, but she's gonna be mine. Who can say
Number 28 is up.
bang, she shot me 2 times. Bang, 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 she shot me again, but she's gonna be mine.
She's beautiful, and I'm in love.
Ia whai malia le talinga le sua ia o mamate ngai mea ia.
Shot 3, shot 4. After 9 minutes, she come back for more. She take off the shoes and on the dance floor. Then she start to broke out like a sword. Then she approach me just like a cure. Me know that she like me tonight, me a swore. She sexy, she beautiful, and she pure. Tell her you